Good day, ma'am, sir. My name is Jessica Paranga Vargas, Filipino. I am 24 years old. My religion is Roman Catholic. I am married. I am two children. My husband's working as a driver. I have one brother and three sisters. I am third in the family and I'm high school graduate. About my work experience, I work as a domestic helper in the Philippines in 2 years. My duties and responsibilities are cleaning the house, ironing the clothes, washing the clothes, gardening, marketing, and car washing. And I also know how to cook Filipino dishes like pork adobo, chicken adobo, sinigang, fried chicken, and I'm willing to learn how to cook Chinese dishes, and I speak Mandarin word and language. Taking care of children. I have experience taking care of children with autism. I am take a bath every day, healthy foods, and tutoring and sleeping, and loves own child. Hi sir, ma'am, I am honest, trustworthy, hardworking, and flexible, loyal. Hi sir, ma'am, please choose me as a domestic helper. I promise I will do my duties and responsibilities, and I will finish my 2 years contract. Thank you.